Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Let me set this a little bit further. Yeah, that's better. Hi, everyone. Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Let's talk immigration. Hi, everyone. If you're on Facebook or YouTube, come on in. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk asylum specifically. And once you come on, please say hello. Let me know you're here. Hi, everybody. This is Attorney Abisola Samuel, immigration attorney based in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. I hope everyone is having a good Wednesday. Yay, it's halfway through the week. Don't know why I'm yay, because I just went back to work yesterday. But I hope you're all having a good day so far. I wanted to come on real quick to talk about asylum. I had a couple of consultations on asylum cases this morning. I just wanted to come on real quick and talk about that. So once you come on, say hello. Let me know you're here. And I already say this, but it doesn't matter what state you live in when it comes to immigration cases. I can, and I actually do represent immigration clients regardless of the state you live in. So if you have an immigration case that is a case type that my firm handles, then I can and do represent you. Representation usually includes, and you know upfront whether it includes what's it called? Appearance, an interview, whatever it is that you need that needs to be done. So it doesn't matter what state you live in. If you have an immigration case, my firm handles it. We can represent you. So today, the number in my office is 334-341-4475. Information is scrolling across the screen. Once again, this is Attorney Abisola Olalaye Samuel, immigration attorney. I'm based in Alabama. I represent immigration clients regardless of the state you live in. So today, let's talk about work authorization for asylum applicants. EAD for asylum applicants. Work authorization. EAD basically means employment authorization documents for asylum applicants. So for those who don't know, you got to be living under the rock if you don't know. But asylum, is the way where you can. It's a way to get a green card, but you start by seeking refuge and you ask the U.S. government to protect you because you have a well-founded fear of persecution based on race or religion or political opinion, or you're a member of a particular social group. Those are options for asylum. So when you seek, and you have to seek asylum within the year from entry, if affirmative asylum, if you're, you come in and you ask for asylum, that's going to be defensive asylum. So if you seek asylum and you're granted asylum, you're able to get on your way to become a permanent resident. During the time you file for asylum, prior to August 2020, August 25th, 2020. It used to be that you could apply for work authorization 150 days from the time your asylum application is deemed filed, and the asylum clock, and you don't, it's your clock doesn't restart and all that. However, the new policy basically says that effective August 25th, 2020. If you filed for asylum on or after that date, then you cannot apply for. Hopefully, this Biden administration changes that. We're very hopeful that that's going to change. But basically, you cannot apply for work authorization based on the current policy until your case, as your asylum application, has been pending for at least 365 days and it has not been processed. Meaning your case has not been adjudicated, you have an interview and it's still pending 365 days before you're eligible to apply for work authorization. Now imagine not being able to provide for yourself and your family members for a whole year. Now, this is something that's still in place where hopefully it's going to change. But until that, that's still the law. However, there are two exceptions to that, wait of 365 days before you can apply for work authorization as an asylum applicant. That's what I want to mention and talk about today. If you are a member of these two organizations, then because there's an injunction in place that makes the current policy inapplicable to them, then you're able to file for your employment authorization card when you seek asylum, and your case is still pending after 150 days. And in addition to that, the law, based on membership of those two organizations, mandates that USCIS must process that application within 30 days. So 150 days after, if your case is still, asylum petition is still pending, application is still pending. If you're a member of these two organizations, you can apply for your work authorization. And after 180 days, you're eligible to get that work authorization. So basically, what are these two authorization membership? So let me pull up my computer here real quick. One is CASA, and the other one is ASAP. ASAP and CASA. If you are a member of CASA or ASAP, then you are eligible to then the whole waiting up for 365 days will not apply to you, and you're going to be able to get your work authorization, apply for work authorization after 150 days. So in CASA, what you need to, how do you become a member of CASA, for instance? For CASA, there's no fee to be a member, and it's very, very simple. You go on CASA means, hold on, let me pull it up here real quick. I'll give you the meaning of that. While I try to pull that up, let me tell you what ASAP means. Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out here. I'll put it on the link later on. But basically, if you're a member of any of those two organizations, then you're eligible to apply for your work authorization if your application is still pending for 150 days. And USCIS has a 30-day timeline to approve that work authorization so you can actually start working with it. When it comes to CASA, CASA does not have an application, a membership fee. ASAP, on the other hand, they have a membership fee. And so, and they have different things that the organizations do. They're non-profit organizations. So that is one way that you can actually, as an asylum applicant, and you filed your applicant. Now, keep in mind, if you filed your application before August 25th, 2020, then that's different. If you filed your application on or after August 25th, 2020, then the new policy applies to you, and that means you have to wait a whole year before you can be eligible to file for your work authorization, unless you are a member of CASA or a member of ASAP. In those two situations, then you are able to apply for work authorization after 150 days, and USCIS has a 30-day time frame to approve your work authorization. It is very easy to join CASA or ASAP. Hold on, let me write it both here so you can see. Okay. So it's CASA and ASAP. Either of those two non-profit organizations, if you're a member, and what I tell my clients and potential clients is, if you're seeking asylum and you intend to apply for work authorization, one thing we want to make sure we do first is we want to make sure you register as a member and apply to be a member of either of those organizations. And once you do that, then part of the reason why we'll be able to file a work authorization for you after 150 days is because of your membership in those organizations. Make sense? So if you're looking to seek asylum and you have a case that you think will qualify for you to be able to prove a well-founded fear of persecution based on those elements: race, religion, political opinion, PSG, particular social group, please contact our office, 334-341-4475. We can help you figure out your case and your eligibility for asylum. And make sure you do that as soon as you can. And even if you've been here over a year, there are some exemptions that allow you to file for asylum after a year, but you have to be able to prove that. But anyway, just a quick video on that and on how you can qualify and be eligible to get asylum work authorization while you have a pending asylum case. I'll most likely see you guys tomorrow, but I just wanted to do that before I forget after the conversation I had. But until next time, Facebook and YouTube, and please share a video. Thank you all for all the support. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time.